Hello guys, this is Ashikar Rahman, a Google Merchant Center expert working since 2021. Today I fix this merchant website need improvement issue. Let's see. If I click on free listing, all products are active now. Shopping ads active. Dynamic remarketing active. If I go to product, you can see there is limited because website need improvement issue. See, all product active now. Look, retention, and if I click to policy, look, no issue for you fixed. So all issue are gone. If I go to view history, look, 70,500 product are active now. So if you want to fix the Google Merchant suspension issue, misrepresentation issue, website improvement issue, product is improved, GTN, MPN, or any other issue on Merchant Center, then contact with me. I will fix the Google Merchant suspend and approve again. Thank you so much.